Hi there, I'm Troy, and I haven't made a little video for a bit, so here we go. I am going to go look at another Mustang. I've had a guy I met, acquaintance. We got talking about cars, and he mentioned that he had a couple of early cars that he had a line on, a coupe and a convertible. The coupe is not down here yet, but the convertible is, so I'm going to take a peek at that really quick. Anyway, well, not too far from the house, so I'll take a peek and take a video and kind of show you what it is. Don't know if I'm going to buy it or not. I don't really know what he wants for it. We haven't kind of hit that area yet. He kind of started out at a certain place and he's already bumped it, so I'm not super wound up. But we'll see what the car is and kind of go from there, I guess. Alright, I just arrived. I probably won't talk a whole lot, but I am going to take a little video of the car. So let's, I'm going to walk in and see what's going on. With the plugs in it, I don't know if that'll turn. Did it turn? I'm surprised you got to turn that much, actually. No, you can tell that, unlike the other shit. There was a guy that lived around the corner.
Everything would be weathered and rusted all the shit.
Right.
Battery would be next to some gas wheels.
Sketchy.
I think the floors alone should sell this car.
Yeah. I mean, everything else is cool too.
Most guys are doing forward, in and out of rockers.
I just did all that on that other one. Oops.
That's no fun. I just did a trunk floor in that 93 Cobra. I wasn't having it.
You know, I kind of like it. I hate to say it, I kind of like it. I'd love to have this. And
well, you know, when we bought this place, I thought he was going to really organize it.
Mm-hmm. Not so much. No, I'd love to have this. I was gonna buy, I should have bought this other house years ago. Well, that's the car. I do like it. I did want to check the cowl, you know, pour some water through it or whatnot, but you know, you don't want to upset anybody, kind of thing. The floor is good, so I'm assuming the cowl is good in it. I think the guy's being pretty straight about it. It's a pretty decent car. Money's a little high, but it's really getting hard to find anything that hasn't been totally messed with, and it's all rotted out, and all that kind of stuff, especially in a convertible. I mean, you see the other one I have in the garage that's all torn to pieces. So, main reason I want the car is that it hasn't been messed with underneath. Good to get some measurements off of it for the other one also. I mean, like I say, the money's a little much, but where do you find them anymore? That's kind of where I'm going with them. So I'm going to talk to him a little bit more on the money end of it, talk to the wife, of course, so she doesn't kill me, and then kind of go from there.